Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining your app purpose and 3 core features clearly. Decide on filter, face detection, and export features first. Sketch user flows and design a simple onboarding path for new users. Choose one third-party API for advanced effects and one image library for local processing. Plan supported image sizes like 200x200px thumbnails and 1080x 1920px final exports. Set privacy rules, storage limits, and a backend choice. Implement face detection next, using a lightweight model for mobile or server. Process still images or aim for 30 FPS with efficient batching for real time. Build a cartoon filter pipeline with edge detection and color posterization steps. Allow users to adjust intensity with a slider from 0 to 100%. Integrate the native camera module and provide import options from gallery. Export results as PNG or JPEG and offer a simple share sheet for social apps. Test thoroughly on iOS and Android devices across 5 screen sizes and orientations. Perform functional, UX, privacy, and performance tests with real users and automated scripts. Release a freemium model with $99 monthly, $99 yearly, and consumable in-app credits for premium filters. Monitor metrics like DAU, retention, crash rate, and 95th percentile latency closely. Iterate quickly on feedback. Update the store listing, and prepare release notes for each update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.